Aloha, my name is Taylor Deskin. I'm Education Coordinator here at the Aloha Theater, and I'm about to interview some experts on why you should donate to us. Why do you love the Aloha Theater?
I love the Aloha Theater because you can express yourself and be whoever you want, although within reason, because, we have parts, but, you can be a different person for you as long as you like, and you can, and it's, super nice, and everyone here is so nice, and everyone is just, a whole one big theater family.
Well, I love the Aloha Theater because there's so many reasons. First of all, because you can express yourself on stage and be who you want to be, and you can have lots of fun, and it's really big and really nice here.
Why should people donate to the Aloha Theater?
So that we can get funding to get new stuff for theater, so you guys can have more entertainment to see our shows.
Please, sir, bring out some more!